This influencer is on track to earn over six figures this year, but she isn't real. And creating her is no longer a complex studio job. This app is a side hustle goldmine. Digital characters like Aitana Lopez make more money than traditional creators, but most think you need to be a genius to start. The biggest hurdle was consistency, replicating the same face again and again. That was a nightmare, but it's changing. The barrier to entry has been shattered by all-in-one AI studios that solve consistency and monetization. This tool lets you lock in facial features so they stay consistent across every piece of content you generate. It even has a built-in motion engine for TikToks and Reels, which is where the real growth happens. So how does it work? Step 1. Create your brand. Choose a niche like fitness, tech, or fashion. Define their persona and style. Then use the app's parameters to lock in their unique look. Step 2. Generate content. You can create a week's worth of high-quality posts in about an hour. Create carousels or trending videos. The app handles the lighting, the setting, and the consistency. Step 3. Distribute for discovery. These platforms are designed to push new creators to millions. If you're seeing the potential, hit that subscribe button. Now let's talk about the money. First is brand deals. Mid-tier AI influencers command thousands per sponsored post. Brands love the control. Second is affiliate marketing. Recommending products through your links can create massive passive income. Third, sell digital products like prompt packs or presets. The margins are high with no shipping costs. Finally, use subscriptions on Patreon or FanView to build a stable, predictable income floor. Is it too late? No. The creator economy is surging toward $800 billion by 2032. You're just in time. The real gold rush is for those who can create consistent, video-enabled characters. The opportunity is now. What used to require a team can now be done by you. Build a scalable digital asset and start today. I've put links and a guide in the description. Go build your digital empire. Thanks for watching.